How to get the reply option on Instagram app. So all what you have to do, guys, to get this option is go to the Play Store on your phone and then open the Play Store and go to the search bar and search for Instagram. Now on this page, all what you have to do is click on update to update your Instagram, and after that go back to the home page. Now click on settings, and after you open the settings page, go to the apps. Now after you go to the apps, it will show you all the apps that you have on your phone. Just wait a few seconds, scroll down and go to Instagram. Click here on force stop, go to the storage, click on clear data and clear cache. Now open Instagram and log into your account. Go to your profile, go to those three lines right here, and right here you will find an option, it says update messaging. After you click on it, you will find the reply option on your messages. Don't forget to like, subscribe.